behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, go!
Match 71 is off over on red. They're attacking the upper level of the reef, scoring 1, 2, 3. Coral on level 4, 190 and 1561 going back for seconds. Gompe going back for thirds over on blue. They've also been able to score 2 coral on level 4, but it's red coming in to tally up with a lead. They're up 44, make that 41 to 23. Blue Alliance knows that they're going to need to find a way to either outscore or slow down the Red Alliance. Gompe and the Herd, a very strong offensive robot, currently ranked 9th in this division, is definitely one to watch out for. They were able to nab an algae, score it in the net, and then score a coral that they grabbed from their human player loading station on level 3. And just in the time it took me to say that, they've already scored 2 more coral, really showing you how fast their cycle times are. 1 minute and 35 seconds left on the clock. One of their partners, 706 Cyberhawks, also scoring an algae up in the barge over on the blue side of the field. 64-29 trying to get rid of some algae on their side of the field, then lining up and scoring a level 2 coral on the reef. Their partner, 41-35, scoring a 5-point coral on level 4. 1 minute and 10 left on the clock. Red is still up, 135 to Blue's 84. Blue Alliance needs 3 more levels of 7 coral or more to get the coral bonus ranking point. Red Alliance now, because of that cooperation bonus, is done with what they need for the coral bonus ranking point, but they're gonna still keep filling up the reef to make sure that they are able to win this match. Gompe and the Herd scoring on level 3. Their partner, Roboducks, lining up and also scoring a trough coral over on the blue side of the field. 64-38, one of our Turkish teams, Pars Robotics, with a level 3 score for blue, scoring 4 more points for the Blue Alliance with 25 seconds left in play. The Red Alliance has begun their end game. 1561 looks like they're doing a deep cage climb off the ground for red. Gompe and the Herd lining up as well over on blue. We've got 2 robots that are lining up for a deep cage. 4th dimension is up in the air for blue, and it looks like all 3 red robots have also completed their climbs. 1. Alliance. They put up 221 points in that match, blue earning 126. Blue Alliance got the auto ranking points. Red, however, earned both the coral and